welcome back to another adventure with the Green Bean Machine. You're here with me, Bean, and my co-pilot for the day, Slingerding.
More visibility again now.
Hope you enjoy the video to come.
Some water.
Bit of water.
Yeah, I do get a bit excited whenever I see the possibility of a water crossing, but then again, who doesn't, eh?
Crossing in the world.
It's just that little one.
As you can tell outside, the weather's not fantastic, but it's not terrible. Slightly overcast, slight little bit of moisture in the air, a little bit of rain, but not major.
Beggarman's Road, eh? For a beggarman to be doing there. Oh, Leslie, you alright? Fucking tall bastard, hey, got some right lean on you. Right lean on there.
Golden fence, man.
Oh, there's some lean on here. Wow, this is funny. Thought we had a bit more of an angle there.
This was a lovely tight squeeze here. If I was any wider, I don't think I would have got through that gap there. And then this is where things went a little bit pear-shaped, and I lost control and almost rolled the truck.
Yeah, don't quite know what happened. I've ended up sideways. Look at me dirt I brought with me.
So yeah, as you can see, things didn't quite go so well there. After some careful manoeuvring and reversing back out, we got ourselves back on the way again.
Carrying on from where we just left off. Do you know what I'm going to do now, Sling?
What?
I'm not going to go overexcited now.
No.
I've learnt my lesson. For today anyway. And then me telling Father earlier on, so alright, go nice and slow. I don't want to break anything, mate. I don't want to break out. Get over it. Oh, we're fucking brilliant. And they I'm not even bothered about resting the lane.
What?
I'm not even asked about resting the lane anymore. That bitch just set me down. Oh, the day's been brilliant, and then and then that just made it like
Even better.
Even better. Oh. I feel so distracted. what not to do after going through this game.
Yeah.
The wheel decides it's going that way. Yep, it's going that way.
Asbestos.
I've also learned where my lowest point is as well on the thing. Basically next to me.
Yeah.
Like my bed diff basically runs through here. Yeah. Work me, mate. If you go up that way, that big massive hole in the floor always not me. What are you doing, mate? You doing there? Alright, bud.
Nice cows, Belgian blue.
Yeah, alright, bud. I still found it, that. Oh, so much editing to do later as well. Well, still on Saturday night getting high. I got to do it all the time. I'll get everything downloaded onto my phone. And then once it's on my phone, I can go from there then. Do bits at a time.
Right, that brings us to the end of this green lane. Thanks for watching and staying tuned. Highly appreciate it if you could give us a like, a comment, subscribe, even share the video. All helps and goes a long way. Thank you again for joining in and watching The Green Bean Machine.